If your dishwasher suddenly shows a tap icon, it can feel like the machine is failing. In many cases, this symbol is the dishwasher saying it is not happy with water flow or water intake conditions, and it needs attention before normal operation continues. In plain language, the tap symbol usually points to a water supply related issue. That does not automatically mean a major repair is needed, but it does mean you should pause and do a safe basic check instead of repeatedly restarting cycles. Symbol behavior can vary by model, so the exact wording in your manual always wins. Start with simple, low-risk checks. Confirm the water tap feeding the dishwasher is fully open. Check for obvious hose kinks, and make sure there is no visible shutoff condition you can safely identify. If your model has an inlet filter access point and your manual allows basic cleaning, follow that manual procedure carefully. Do not force parts and do not improvise steps that are not documented for your model. This icon is often misunderstood as a random software glitch, so people keep pressing start. That usually wastes time. If the machine is not receiving water correctly, repeated retries will not solve the root condition. Treat the symbol as a functional warning, not a cosmetic nuisance. If the icon returns after safe basic checks, or if you notice leaks, unusual noise, burning smell, or any electrical concern, stop using the appliance and move to official support. At that point, model-specific diagnosis is the safer path. This channel can help you understand symbols, but it should not replace qualified service where risk is involved. So the core takeaway is this: the dishwasher tap symbol usually means water intake needs attention, and your best move is safe checks first, then model-specific support if it persists. If your rinse aid symbol also appears, that is usually a separate maintenance signal and easier to handle once you know the difference.